Okay. So let's check. So based on the training material, would you consider this as a paved or unpaved driveway?
Unpaved.
Paved.
Unpaved.
Unpaved.
Why?
Not clear surface lang. Surface lang.
Ground right. Sa ground.
No
Paved
clear
driveway.
boundaries, sir.
Sorry?
No clear
There's a clear
boundaries.
boundary, but
The surface.
so over time, it has weathered and of course it breaks. So we can consider this as a unpaved, no clear boundary. While this one, of course, guys, what do you think this is? You have to fix
Unpaved driveway.
unpaved driveway.
Unpaved.
Yes. So let's just fix it a little because it doesn't look nice. So this is unpaved. And for the road, let's check the road. This one, how about this one?
Paved.
Unpaved,
Unpaved driveway.
unpaved driveway. Oh, good. None. Then the road is fine. Make sure the boundary is good. Then submit your task. So guys, don't worry. There's no parking lot yet because we're still in stage 1. Stage 1, we handle the roads, the sidewalk, and what else? The driveway. For patios and deck, please ignore it for the meantime.
Elevator wala.
Sorry, hindi kita naririnig.
How about blocking by trees, sir? No cutting, sir? Continue or leave it?
Sorry?
Yung blocking by trees ang road, sir, ikakat ba o continue yung draw natin?
I-type mo na lang, pre. Hindi kita maintindihan.
Yung trees daw, sir, pag naharangan ng mga trees yung daanan.
Yung mga trees.
Continue ba? Or analyze na lang?
Analyze it. So for this one, it says road. Okay. So medyo seems we have to fix some of this task. So let's observe. So, okay, driveway. Road. Okay. Guys, always remember the rule for driveways, and for roads. Okay. For this one, Z, repair. Tag this as unpaved driveway. This is the only cemented part, so I'll get that one. For this one, this is a long driveway already, right, guys? Make sure to capture it properly.
Yes.
So if long driveway siya, sir, at pavement siya or hindi na kailangan palitan?
Sorry, ano yan?
Kung long driveway na siya, hindi na siya papalitan ng unpaved or paved driveways. For example, yan, long driveway siya pero sa lupa siya. So unpaved siya.
Ito kasi cemented siya. If it's cemented, keep it as a long driveway.
Okay.
Now, if it's not cemented, you tag it as an unpaved driveway.
Copy.
But since this one is paved, then we keep it as it is.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so leave that area there because it's not part of the driveway technically. So this one is a long driveway too. It's cemented. But let's check. It's separate. Goes here. Use Z if you want to add. Guys, parking rules apply, ah.
Anong benchmark nito, sir? Pag ganito.
The benchmark still the same as follows as the previous land cover projects. So it depends on the number of buildings that we normally have, right? So this one,
Ay, hindi na siya per task, sir, no? Sorry, sir.
sorry, I didn't get you.
Hindi siya per task, may layer siya ng bahay.
Yes. Still gonna be based on the number of buildings. Make it look nice. Okay. This one is already considered, again, guys, this is a full area. Parking lot. Okay. So let's fix the sidewalk. Okay. Now, how about for this one? What do you think this is for this one? It's unpaved driveway, guys. Or let's check. For this one. Okay. For this one. All right. This one is already considered still a what, guys? This portion.
Long driveway.
Unpaved.
Unpaved. Long.
Paved. Okay.
No, Noah, that's Noah.
Okay.
Hi. Where is going? Oh, hello. Mama.
Okay. Sidewalk, guys. Okay. Let's check if we still make something. Okay, this one. Sidewalk. How about this one, guys? This one, since this is still, sorry. I'll just close here. So this is pavement or bare line. We'll see. Okay, good. What this one? Okay, good. So guys, remember, don't overthink. If you feel this is cemented, track it. But if you think if it's not cemented, then mark it as a what, guys?
Paved road.
Unpaved road.
Yes. Okay. This looks good. Driveway not connect to road. That's okay because that's a common error. So it's a system error. It's just asking that this driveway is connect to the road. So you just need to submit it again. All clear?
Sir Mark,
Questions?
ano po yung tagging sa railway, Sir Mark?
So one row parking, sir. Di pa buwa long. Okay. Divina Gracia Gabaza. Okay. So since there is no clear path going to the single row parking, you cannot extend the long driveway there. Okay. But if there's a clear path, then you can. You understand? Divina? Sir Mark, for driveways with paved and unpaved parts, will we need to count the total length? It's 70 meters. Just give it an eyeball. Anyway, you can change. If it's less than 70 meters, you can change it to a driveway, regardless. But if it's 70 meters or so, then it's a long driveway. So as long as while you were drawing already the driveway, you can already measure it, right? So just need to change tag if it's a driveway or long driveway. Clear, guys? Okay, next, please make sure to fill out your attendance form. Okay. So kindly make sure you indicate your correct site name so we can avoid issues with regards to Naes Marie Carrillo. Who recruited you? JM who? Talk to him. Who's your team? What team do you belong? Which team do you belong? Sorry.
The GM po.
Ask JM which team he belongs.
Sir, question po.
JM who? I don't know who's JM. Sorry.
JM Rabak po.
JM Manalo? Is this your team?
Upsize.
Talk to your teammates. I don't know. Naes Marie Carrillo. Sorry.
Naka-open mic. Ano sir? Dito. Ano yan sir? Hindi ko po alam.
Alright. Any questions, team? Concerns? Do not overthink. That's my common issue. That's my issue, personal issue. I overthink. Okay? Because I'm always into quality and so on. But if you just follow the training materials, observe carefully, I think you'd be able to identify which one is paved and unpaved. Margie Torres, the training link has been sent unless you are late. The land cover benchmark is a bit difficult to explain because it's based on the number of trees. Based on the number of buildings, sorry. So the lesser the buildings, the faster you should do your task. That's how I would recommend it, or I would say it.
Default role to, sir.
Sorry, sino yan? Adam?
Default role to.
Default role.
Okay, okay. FF.
All right. Any further questions? Concerns? Violent reactions? Wala? None?
Sir Mark. Hello, sir. What if, Sir Mark, long driveway ito, yung kalahating cemented, yung kalahati is unpaved. Hatiin lang, okay lang hatiin to.
Yes, as long as you capture the ones that paved and the one that is not.
Hindi pa rin po lumilitaw yung project code doon sa sa Ginger namin. O sa Ginger ko.
I haven't loaded yet. So I'll make sure that everyone is done filling up the attendance form. In let's say 1:45 p.m. I'll start loading.
Okay.
I'll lock the attendance by 1:45. Okay?
Okay. Attendance
Alright.
good. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Good day.
Right. Hep.
Alright.
Hooray!
Mga kaibig.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray!